Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show here about to help you how you start to use background tool. So this is actually to be important to be about to start to understand on in this really in this gonna be about to uh this is really about to have it when it's going on with that, and you can actually start to use the blur site on that, so you can actually use over here on that one, and then you can actually start to use a blur. But I don't know if it's really about the background. You can see that I can use this one, and I can use a side of appearance, the opacity like this, can actually like 20. Opacity is really not like to have a side or a relation with a blur. So we can see right now if a plugin can be really doing that side, you can use blur hash or progressive blur, and I recommend the progressive blur because this is really one of things it's gonna help you a lot if you would like to do that. So you can insert a layer with this one layer, generate blur, one values on the field has been fixed. Okay, by the way, you can actually use the one I don't know whatever if it's starting blur, even if it's ready about that when a site is ready about to have this kind of to be fixed, or maybe use another blur. But I just told you and recommended for you guys to use this kind of blur. It's gonna be really helping you about when this ever about to have a progress on the site to make a background blur, and that's already about to help you guys through this part in this video. So that's all about to help you guys.